boys and girls. When Mom sets the breakfast table, make sure she puts out a cup and saucer for you, because you can have a hot drink too. Delicious Nestle's Ever-Ready Cocoa, piping hot, real chocolatey, the famous Nestle chocolate flavor. Couldn't taste any better, couldn't be any easier to make. That's because it's instant. Watch him.
I simply add 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of Nestle's Ever-Ready, pour in hot water, and stir. Now isn't that easy? And you know you can make Nestle's with water and it's delicious, or make it with milk and it's doubly nutritious. Try Nestle's at breakfast time, lunchtime, anytime.
It's the best cocoa because it's cocoa that contains real whole milk and sugar.